How to check RAM and ROM in Samsung. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply open your device care application if you have in your device. So this one, launch your device care application. Now go to storage section. This is your ROM. As you can see, I have 128 GB of ROM in total. Now go back and then go to memory. Now this memory is your RAM. As you can see, I have 6 GB of RAM, and out of which I have used 3.3 GBs. I can simply clean up the unnecessary RAM by tapping on clean. So that's it. That's how you find out RAM and ROM in your Samsung phone. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.